Are you looking to build your credit score without the hassle of traditional credit cards? The Chime Credit Builder Card might be your perfect solution. In this video, we will explore how this innovative card works and how you can leverage it to establish a solid credit history. What is the Chime Credit Builder Card? The Chime Credit Builder Card is a secured Visa credit card designed specifically for those new to credit or looking to improve their credit score. The best part, there's no credit check required for approval, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their credit history. Open a Chime spending account. This is your first step. You can set it up online in just a few minutes. Set up direct deposit. To qualify, ensure you have at least $200 in qualifying direct deposits over the past year. Transfer funds. Move money from your spending account to your credit builder account. This amount will be your spending limit. Use your card. Spend up to the amount you deposited. Remember, whatever you spend will be automatically paid off each month using those funds, ensuring you never miss a payment. Key features. No fees. Enjoy zero annual fees, no interest charges, and no foreign transaction fees. Safer credit building. Automatic payments help maintain a positive payment history, which is crucial for improving your credit score. Flexible limits. You control your credit limit by adjusting how much you deposit into your account. The Chime Credit Builder Card is an excellent tool for anyone looking to build or rebuild their credit without the usual barriers. With its user-friendly feature and lack of fees, it's an ideal choice for beginners. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and boost your credit score, consider applying for the Chime Credit Builder Card today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances.